Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this beautiful sunrise morning. We're still getting some rain here in Colorado, so a bit chilly and damp this morning, but at least it's not currently raining. So hopefully the weather is beautiful where you are doing these workouts. I encourage you to do this challenge outdoors. It feels so good to start your day outside in the fresh air. This is a 365-day Sunrise Pilates challenge. So let's get started. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Take a look at the Core to Health website that's in the description. Let's lay down on your mat. Find a nice neutral spine. Take a couple deep breaths. Engage those core muscles. Zip them up from your pubic bone all the way to your navel. Get those arms warmed up, shoulders warmed up. Get them going in a circle. Connect your breath. And switch directions. Keep that lower body nice and still. Maintain that neutral spine. Really focus on the precision of the movements. Bring your arms back down by your side. Now let's fire up that lower body with the 100. Inhale to prepare, exhale. Knees up to tabletop. Roll those shoulders off the mat. Draw that navel into your spine. Zip up those pelvic floor muscles. Stretch those legs out if you can. Shoulders away from your ears. Inhale for 5 pumps of your arms. Exhale for 5 pumps of your arms. Turn those toes out slightly to take some of the work out of your thighs and really focus on your core. Couple more breaths here. And lower that back down. Let's do a little bit of our core series this morning. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, bring one knee up. Bring those shoulders off the mat. Single leg stretch. Stretch one leg out. Bring the other knee into your chest. Inhale for one set. Exhale for one set. Connect that breathing to your movements. And stretch one leg up to the sky. Pull that leg back towards your nose. Double little bounce with that bottom leg. Switch. Inhale for one. Exhale for one. Bring both legs in. Double leg stretch. Circle those arms. And lower those legs back down. Let's work those hip flexors a little bit this morning. We'll start with some knee drops. Bring those heels in towards your sit bones. Engage those pelvic floor muscles. Just let your knee drop over to the side and back up. Keep those hips nice and flat. Don't let the opposite hip roll over. And stretch that leg out, leg up to the sky, and leg circle. You can always make the circles smaller or bend that knee if you have any hip or joint issues. Do what's comfortable for you and best for your body. Couple more this direction. And switch sides or switch directions. 10 going the opposite direction. Couple more. And switch sides. I'm going to keep this knee bent. This left hip likes to pop on me sometimes. So we're just going to keep the knee bent, make the circles a little bit smaller. And other direction. Sometimes one side or one direction will work better than the other. So, like I said, do what's best for your body. Challenge yourself, but nothing should ever be painful. We have 5 more. And relax. Let's bring those heels back up towards your sit bones. Let's do our shoulder bridges. Stretch those hands down towards your heels. Break that neutral spine. Slowly roll one vertebrae at a time, all the way up. Hold it at the top. Slowly roll all the way back down. Inhale, roll up. And if you can, stretch one leg to the sky. Point and flex that foot. Leg kicks. You can do marching. You can just lift your heels. You can continue to roll up and down in your shoulder bridge. Choose what works best for you. And other side. And slowly roll one vertebrae at a time, all the way back down. Let's roll over onto our side. Let's do side leg passe this morning. Pull those obliques off the mat. Both legs are going to be actively working, so stretch them out until they come to where they're floating off the mat. Bottom leg still engaged. Slide that top toe up to your knee. Flex that foot all the way back down. Up to your knee, up to the sky, and slowly back down. Keep those obliques off the mat. Nice deep breaths here. Inhale on the way up. Exhale on the way down. Focus on those pelvic floor muscles. Couple more. And relax. Let's roll over onto your stomach for some swimming. Stretch those hands out, stretch those toes out. Draw that navel into your spine. Inhale for 5 little kicks and splashes. Exhale. Couple more breaths. And relax. Clasp those hands behind you. Double little kick heels to your glutes. And stretch those hands down towards your heels, lifting that chest off the mat. Double little kick. Lift that chest off the mat, hands towards your heels. Couple more. Last one. And let's switch to the other side. Lay down on your arm. Pull those obliques off the mat. Stretch those toes out so both legs are actively working. Slide that toe up to your knee. Up to the sky. Flex your foot all the way back down. Pull those obliques up and zip up those pelvic floor muscles. Have 5 more. Inhale on the way up. Exhale on the way down. And relax. Let's come up into our push-ups. Finish up this workout strong. Pick any variety that works best for you. We'll see if my wrist lets me come all the way up into a plank this morning, and let's do 10. Sit back into your shell pose. Stretch those fingers away from you. Let that head get heavy. Nice deep breaths here. Sit up when you're ready. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful sunrise morning. I hope you're enjoying the workouts. Congratulations on this huge commitment. This is day 141 of a 365-day challenge, so we are doing amazing. Keep up the good work. Have a blessed and beautiful day.